Greeting, dear colleagues. In this video, I will guide you throughout the process of clipping a DEM. First, it's necessary to import the Digital Elevation Model or DEM in the QGIS workspace. To do this, we navigate throughout the layer and then add layer and add raster layer and locate the folder where the DEM is stored on our computer. For mine, it's in desktop and test folder. I click on DEM_1 and open, add, and close. Now that the DEM has been imported into the QGIS, it's necessary to represent our study area as a vector layer. In other words, we must first create a new vector layer. To create a new vector layer, we first click on a new shapefile layer here. This action opens a dialog box with the same name. In this dialog box, in a file name, we specify a file path on your computer and assign a name to a vector layer we intend to create. And here I am type a study area for my vector name. And then click Save. Okay. Here, file encoding. The second option is set to same as the system. For geometry type here, I can choose a polygon, and here in a CRS or coordinate reference system, we set it on EPSG 4326 WGS 84, and then click on OK. And now it's necessary to edit the study area here in a layer panel. We can right click on it and select a toggle editing. By enabling toggle editing, some of the icons in a software interface become active or highlighted. Among this icon is the Add Polygon feature. Here, Add Polygon feature for the shape file. I click it. Now, using a rectangle tools, we want to create rectangle. I then select the option rectangle from extend. After select this option, we can see that the cursor change to the cross surrounded by circle. I then move to the upper left corner of the study area. Here, perform a left click and drag the cursor until the desired extent is reached. Finally, I perform a right click here. I perform a right click to complete the rectangle and then press OK. Now that we have drawn a rectangle representing our study area, it's necessary to right click on this layer in the layer panel and disable toggle editing to exit the editing mode here, and then click Save. Okay. Now, with a vector layer representing a study area and raster layer available, we can proceed to perform the clip operation. To perform this operation, we search for the clip tools in processing toolbox. And I'm type clip, C-L-I-P. Yeah. Here in the GDAL and a subset raster extraction, we can see the clip raster by mask layer. By clicking on these tools, a dialog box with the same name opens. In the input layer, we select the raster layer we want to clip. Here is DM_1. We chose a vector layer we previously created. Here is a study area. And then in a clip field here, Yeah, at the bottom, we specify a file patch where we want to save the clip DEM. I want to save it on a desktop. Clicking this button and save to file. Here I chose a name, DEM underscore C. Okay, save. And then I click on a run button. Yeah, okay, close. Now, if we look at the layer panel, we can see that a new DEM has been created. Here, I uncheck the DEM1 and study area. With this procedure, we have successfully clipped a DEM to the desired extent correspondingly precisely to our study area. I hope this tutorial have been helpful. For more videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.